see if I can get into somewhere where I can get some meat inside of me. Don't take that the wrong way. But yeah. Hello YouTube and welcome to another adventure. We are out at Oranjezig City Farm Market today, where we do a market tour. We've done a few of these before, and this one seems to be a lekker day out here in Cape Town, South Africa. There's a city I live in, so this is where I like to come out and come and check out things. We've done quite a bit of farm markets before. You'll see one on the right and one on the left there. You can click on the links to those and check out the other markets as well. But this one holds between 6,000 and 9,000 visitors and tourists. I mean, this is in the middle of the tourist city, so they get quite a bit of tourists in here, and they've got over 40 different farmers that supplies this market. And the wife sent me a list of stuff to get for cocktail drinks that she wants. So let's go and check it out. Come with me on this adventure. Let's check out the market.
You can find the market in Granger Bay Boulevard in the V&A waterfront. They are open on a Saturday from 8 till 2, Sundays from 9 till 2, and they have a Wednesday night market open from 4 o'clock till 9 p.m. All vendors are open and it's always a vibe in the waterfront.
Okay, I've been here for about 5 minutes now walking, and the first thing that I spot is the amount of different languages that people are talking around me here. This is definitely a tourist hotspot, and the vibe is so lekker over here. Everybody's just getting down, they're enjoying themselves, people bringing their pets around. And yeah, it's just a lekker vibe out here. Everybody, all different nationalities. I think this is just a meeting place for tourists as well as people that just live in Cape Town. It is such a cool vibe here, and it is busy. This is about 11 o'clock in the day, in the morning, and there's not a seat open over here. It is busy. So yeah, very popular market. I suggest you get here quite early.
So the market holds about 80 artisanal food traders, and they are vendors of every nationality. You got every type of food from every African country, every overseas country, and they've got so much different fruits. They've got 40 local farmers that supply this place with different fruits and veg as well. So even just walking around one section, they've got whatever meat you want, they've got whatever type of food you want. It is just a smorgasbord of foods and everything else. So if you feel like a certain type of food, you will definitely find it here. This place is buzzing, it's very full, but there is space. You will find some space here and there. I mean, this was now, I was at the peak at about 11 o'clock in the morning, as I said, walking around here, and it was busy, but there is a space here and there for you. But if you're feeling peckish for anything, whether it's a kind of a snacker, whether it's something meaty, they've got everything covered.
Something that I've learned doing some of these market tours is you go where the line is long. Unfortunately, the lines are long by all the places, so you don't know what's really good and what the people go for here. So everything is busy. Every line is long. It's standing time everywhere, but that just shows everything is good over here. I mean, the produce looks lekker, solid produce over here from the farmers as well. So yeah, I went around the food side. I'm looking at the produce. The wife did send me a list of things that I need to buy. So yeah, I'm going to pick up a few things as well. But yes, I need to get something to snack on and a juice. But you know, recording and doing all these things at the same time is not the best. Recording comes first before the food, unfortunately. We need to entertain, that's what I'm actually out here for. But yeah, a lot of lekker market things, man. Lekker vibe here. Little kitschy stuff also for the tourists as well. So it's not just for the Cape Town people, it's for a lot of tourists. As I said, we're listening to quite a bit of languages spoken around me here. And yeah, there's a lot of seating, but there's a lot of people as well. But okay, yeah, there is a look here and there that I can grab something. let me get something to sip on and something to nibble on. But wow, I haven't even been around the full market yet, and I've been here for about 15 minutes. It's quite a sizable place. And also they are looking to extend this place. The waterfront is giving them quite a large barn as well. That will be open in 2025, I think it is. Yeah, they got some big plans for expanding as well. Wow, proper, this is done proper. You can see the layout and everything here. These people know what they're doing when it comes to a market. And the support here is also very good, so I see that's why they don't mind spending the money on the upkeep of the place as well. Everything is done on point here. There's nothing done half-assed. Wow, what a place.
So it was time for a snacky snack, and I just got myself a water and a couple of danishes, some pastries just to keep the sugar levels up. And just a note here, you're gonna probably need to use card. Most of the vendors don't use cash over here, so it's I wouldn't say a cashless market, but it's better to go with card, as all vendors take card payments.
So I stopped around at one or two of the stalls that weren't so busy because the lines are hectic. I'm going to grab myself something to eat also. I'm going to hang around for a while. Recording doesn't just take 5 minutes, although it's a 5-minute video. But yeah, lekker vibe out here. You've got the sea on the one side and you've got the people on the other side. Total vibe, total vibe. Just going to get some refreshments, got myself a Danish and some water. Just going to chill a bit, and that's that. Wow, what a place. This is something you need to get here early, guys. This is not somewhere you want to get here 11, 12 o'clock in the day. It is a vibe, it is a vibe.
So I decided to have my water and my pastries and just chill and watch what was going around here. I could see plenty of families coming together in large groups, as well as big groups of friends also just chilling and soaking up the atmosphere over here. The market is pet friendly as well, so bring your four-legged friends along. They can enjoy themselves with you here in this market. I decided to go out and go and get myself a steak sandwich and some orange juice. And just something I must note, you are in the tourist area, so you are going to pay up for something over here. Steak sandwich here costed $170 and an orange juice $55 for a small orange juice. So just be aware, they are a bit pricey, but you're getting good quality food here.
So that's it for this one, guys. It was lekker lunch. Very busy. Get here early. It's not something you want to do later on in the day. But yeah, it's a lekker vibe out here. Bring your family, come out, come be a tourist in your city. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm recording and releasing videos every week now, or sometimes twice a week. So I'll catch you on the next one. Busy with some good adventures and some good in-studio stuff. So don't forget, like and subscribe. Give me a fire emoji at the bottom. Fire emojis are always welcome. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.